Well, it's Hampshire Open time, guys and girls. I only got a few hours today, so the swim selection is pretty, well, quick, to be fair. It's a good little area. You might recognise it from my pike fishing time of the winter, all out there. There's a big deep bowl in front of me. You can see the weed on the shallows there. I'm fishing one, not up against it, about 2 foot off it, where it should rise up into the shallows. And also I've got one down the side here, nice little overhanging tree, very chubby along there. So we'll just have to see how we get on, really. It's just more of a nice to come out trip, really, get out. It's been a while since I've been on the river because it's been closed, and yeah, it's just a nice little pleasant surrounding. See how many people are out and about doing stuff. Get a feel for the lake. Lake? See, I've been in the lakes for too long. Feel for the river. And yeah, it's quite enjoyable, really. Absolutely lovely. Very nice, I must say. And I'm lucky, I might get myself a chub, who knows. To be honest with you, I'm not overly too worried about it too much today. It's just nice to be back out on the river, really. A little bit more stomping, got a bit more free time. There you go, anyway. Catch up with you later on. Oh, I've moved swim now on my second swim of the day. And it's a lovely little area. It's a bit of a hard job to get to. It's lovely, absolutely lovely little area along here to the right. To the left of me, it's just hardly any flow at all. Being a carpangler as I am, as usual, I've stuck out 2 rods. We'll see how we get on. I'll talk very quietly because the bank is very wobbly and moves a lot, and I'll have to literally just sit still and quietly, really. And bob back down again. You can see through there's another little raft building up. And hopefully that's perfect for some chub and maybe a barbel. Just never know. We'll just have to see. We've got about 2 hours left, so I might spend a couple of hours in here. The other swim was, well, I couldn't see anything at all whatsoever. Nothing moved in, nothing picked up my bait or anything. The downside of this one is I put bait out, but I won't be able to actually observe if anything happens to it. We'll just have to sit there. Hopefully, you never know, do you? I was hoping it would be a bit more shaded, but I'm actually roasting in here at the moment. It's quite funny, but there you go. Right, I'll catch up with you soon then, boys and girls. See you later now. I just love watching nature. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. Back again on the other rod now. Unbelievable, it. I think half my problem when river fishing is I spend more time looking at the wildlife than I do the looking for fish and things. Amazing, isn't it? sitting there soaking up the rays. I love how they zip off, grab something and come back again. Anyway, better get back to the fishing really, hadn't I?